Happy Veterans Day from the Morrison County Veteran Service Office. We want to take a moment to thank everyone who has served honorably in combat and war. Thank you to the veterans who have served on deployments, active duty, and peacetime. Thank you to everyone who is currently serving in the military. If you raised your right hand saying that you would protect and serve our country and preserve our freedoms, you are able to be recognized on Veterans Day. I want to take a moment to introduce my staff here at Morrison County. I'm Kathy Marshik, the Morrison County Veteran Service Officer, and I am retired from the Army. I had 21 years in service and am an Iraqi veteran. We have Luann Jarvis. She is the Assistant Veterans Case Aide. She is a spouse of a Vietnam veteran and it does an outstanding job for us each and every day. We have Jim Sagler. He's our Veterans Administrative Assistant. He is retired from the Air Force, 27 years, and also an Iraqi veteran who was deployed many times. I want to remind every veteran and service member that you should connect with your Veteran Service Office. We have 87 counties in Minnesota, and each and every one of those counties has a Veteran Service Officer. So make sure that you use this link and connect with your Veteran Service Officer. If you have questions and you are a Morrison County resident or you just want to speak with us, here is the way to contact us. Enjoy our presentation. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation honoring many of our veterans in our society. Remember, our veterans are our friends. They're our family members. They're our neighbors. They're our mothers, our fathers, our grandparents, our sons, our daughters, our sisters and brothers. Veterans are everywhere. November 11th is our day to honor and respect our veterans in their surrounding areas. Thank you to everyone who contributed photos to this wonderful presentation, and thank you for letting me honor you on November 11th, 2020.